Hi student. Today we will be taking up a poetry section of class 6 English Reader, chapter number 1, The Nation's Builder, which is written by R.W. Emerson. So before we go to the poem, I would like to ask one question. And my question is, when a nation get freedom, do the leader uses any kind of gold or money to get freedom? So the answer will be no, because our leaders have not used any gold or money to get freedom. They use their determination, hard working and sacrifices so that our nations get freedom. So today we will go to the poem which is written by R.W. Emerson, and this is a poem about people who have worked hard and sacrificed for building up our nation. So let's read the poem. Not gold, but only man can make a people great and strong. Men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. By R.W. Emerson. So this is the poem. Here the first two lines of the poem means that a man only can make a nation strong and great. Only a man can make a nation strong and great. Gold, silver or any kind of money cannot make our nation strong, but only a man can make our nation great and strong. So this is what the first two lines says. Now let's go to the third and the fourth line. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. So in the first two lines, the poet said that only a man can make our nation great and strong. So what kind of man must be? What kind of man can make a nation great and strong? So in this fourth and fifth line, the poet said that a man who is truth and for the sake of honors, who can stand fast and suffer long. Stand fast and suffer long means who can firmly remain in the same position and who is ready to suffer and face every difficulties. So a man must have all these qualities to make the nation great and strong. So now let's go to the fifth and the sixth line. Brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly. So here it means that a brave men are those who protect us while others sleep, who dare to face every circumstances and not give up and run away. So a man who can protect us while others sleep, who dare to face every circumstances, every difficulties and not give up and run away. This kind of man can make our nation great and strong. Now let's go to the last two lines. They build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. So here they means the nation builders. They refer to the nation builder. So they make a nation stem strong. They make a nation stem and let strong foundation so that our nations are lift up to the sky. So this poem not only talk about the great leaders who have sacrifices to give our nation freedom, but it also talk about the army who protect us while we sleep, who protect our country, the doctors who care for us, the teachers who give us knowledge and wisdom, the engineers and many more who work hard with honest and brave. So this poem shows that only true, hard-working, honest and brave people can make a nation great and strong, not a lot of gold. So this is all about the poem. So once again, let's read the poem and I will slightly translate it into Hindi so that you all understand. Let's read the poem once more. Not gold, but only man can make a people great and strong. Here it means सोना नहीं या संपत्ति नहीं, लेकिन केवल लोग बना सकते हैं एक राष्ट्र को महान और मजबूत. The next two line, men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Here it means that ऐसे लोग जो सत्य के लिए और सम्मान के लिए खड़े रहते हैं और संघर्ष करते हैं. The next two line again, brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly. बहादुर लोग वो होते हैं जो कार्य करते हैं जबकि दूसरे सोते रहते हैं. वो साहस करते हैं जब दूसरे भाग जाते हैं. And the last two line, they build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. वे राष्ट्र के पिलर को गहरा बनाते हैं और राष्ट्र को आसमान की ऊंचाई पे ले जाते हैं. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you all my students.